Good afternoon, country people. Them plenty glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Story House. More than 4 million they don't farm for some place where they did transfer money for inside thing here, not just for corner with Story House. Where that one happen this very afternoon. We go talk inside Story 2 for this afternoon. Palava this former work people them for shipyard industry. Chantier Naval, we sote now, there is also tonton for labor office of Douala Yem, for money when Kunkuma be don't sign, same they pay them. We will also talk, chapter for we own Torin Gonderim, Mimi Mefo, where he sleep, if for number 2 night, for that size home, where they call them say New Bell for Douala Yem, Gata for New Bell. All this story then so, plus wait to win newspaper says, a talk we go bring them for this afternoon. Big patok, e tell we say for sleep, e no mean say don't die. Sleep, no be die. As everything, sleep, e no be die. I go turn back small time, make we not the story, as we get for Naka. Good afternoon for our side. So we're glad plenty for meet up una for this side. So for Equinox Story House, calling people them just for Sabise inside Tori for this afternoon. We get other small palava them for Tokam. Sabise for inside Tori House. We get the small Tori them where it happen. And Sabise so for Tori for this afternoon. We go start first now with the palava for thief. This morning time around that kind of 10 o'clock. Now just for we corner AM. Where thief people them they broke enter for some place. Just for we corner house AM. For inside Bonakwanga AM. Now just the house out. Where you see and so for that side. Where it is so country people them just now for talk say people they enter for they be dead them for where they become for can attack they enter for they with a gun someone they be there with a knife then they take now how much they talk say they thief 3 million cash then they carry other small money them to 200 for 400,000 where they for different firm back them plus all telephone them where it they so they use and make transfer where money they for inside before police people then say they want come where they see people them they be don't lock all the work people them for inside one room then they carry the money run go with them so as well the talk they no be fit for cash. Any of the people them they be there them for so if we get for calculate all money they try for tell we say the money it pass even 4 million as well they carry 3 million cash for inside that place plus other small money the way they don't tie them then even thingy them where money is there for inside there they carry out in go with them as well I talk police people they want come where it is so all the people them they be don't run go and they be lock all the people them inside one room all the thing it happen now for daytime just for we corner here for a Tori house here where that one it pass inside Tori 2 for this afternoon we go tell una to this other one where it pass now for that side so where they call them say Limbe we take una enter for Limbe for talk this other palabam where they meet up some papa where he die for inside the room Sabi say Tori we enter for we here now the papa who wrote that for enter for house for Limbe side where they try for tell we say papa it the work now for some woman where it did so for that side for Niger as so they talk now they say pa it be done the 6 things but pa the she done na Iwan as so down go they say it don't go in Niger people the only one wake up for that side for Limbe for see say it did so this pa it don't die for on top the bed where it be the sleep Sabi say this story for this side too it make plenty people them for Limbe for confused for Sika say the pa it she done na only one for house and it work now for some woman the woman they talk say it don't go Niger the one can meet up with pa it already die a sleep straight for bed for that side so for Limbe true pa be the sick but they try for talk say doctor he talk say pa no be the follow his sickness pa no be the follow a medicine them as so they be talk say make he follow am now so to the come meet up pa way he don't die for that side so for Limbe. We go left that story for that side for Limbe. We talk this other one. We leave. We talk with this neighbor where they be putting microphone for him up. For Sabi say the neighbor say, "A try for tell we waiting to true where he pass for that side."
Leave for Bota Kamwan. So don't just get some sudden die. We just come out. Oh no, the father sick for long. So this morning time we don't go for gendarmerie to make our book for state council. The doctor say, they don't sign a document. We go bury him today. He don't sick for long as doctor talk because now so another doctor they for come off here. Doctor don't talk say those sick for long. He should say nobody follow treatment. No, the pan now so it be the work now for some woman. That woman they for Niger. You know be they with no relative for if they na worker. Oh yeah, a relative not there. Now you on the man. Mr. Shah. Now I name that the first name one now. Now just my neighbor.
Yes, now one of the neighbor that for that power will be the talk on top this palaver for waiting, palaver for person will die for inside house. We go take an announce so we enter for Bamenda for this palaver for Doti will be talk for now. Sabi say after Tori Sesep he enter for we EM on top this palaver for waiting, palaver for Doti for inside Bamenda. Now so to one time calling people them we enter for Bamenda for talk this chapter for Doti. Una sabi say na so we Sesep will be announced as so talk for now. Say most of the work people there they look at these people them we look at Doti for inside Bamenda. As we Tori enter for EM, then we don't carry that to them, go for that side so for Bafusam. Now for Sika right that way Bamenda Sesep town, it don't dirty plenty for Sika dirty. But according to Tori we just enter for EM, as well we enter for Tori house today, the people then say they carry dirty, they don't try for give complain. Say if they so side where they get for go to the dirty, when normal when they carry them, ton carry they hit them for dirty inside the motor, they no feel for go to them for place where they destroy all the dirty them for Sika say roadway if they go for that side they don't cut the roads so we no dey for them for carry dirty go throw them again. So for Sika that one people them for inside Bamenda town and market side they get for even try for see what way they go do they get for persevere small as well you go to turn for find different way where they go carry the dirty them go throw them. Sabi say for now the roads for side where they use to go throw the dirty them. Sabi say when they gather dirty them they can't carry the dirty throw am for some place where the dirty it go remain for the rotting before it turn manure. So roads for go for the place it don't cut. Sabi say na for Sika chapter for northwest and southwest where it make am so all the man all people them they suffer as we dirty it don't flop for Bamenda town them. But Sabi say the people they say they carry dirty their own excuse where they don't give am. Now say the roads for side they carry the dirty then go throw am the roads it don't cut. Now for Sika this palaver way they happen for Bamenda side. We enter to for chapter for Doti. We talk am again for Sika say na the Doti it make people them sick. We take una go for side where they call am say Ezekam for Ezeka side for town it show say all thing it dey waka fine. But for corner roads na different thing where people they see am for inside that side. So for Ezeka wetin dey happen for there they try for tell we say it dey so dirty it don't too much for all corner for Ezeka and people them for that side. So for Ezeka they ask now na big question whether the people the way they dey for on top chair like their mayor them like their DO them they no get talk for talk or even company say where they look at dirty e no dey for that side for Ezeka. Fear for people for Ezeka just now na say wetin make sick e no can enter for people their skin. Sabi say one e dey na cholera wey dey kill plenty even malaria say wey mosquito go comot e can bite man. Na some other one wey people dem for Ezeka just now dey dey fear say make e no touch dem for Sika plenty dirty wey e don flop all corner for inside Ezeka town. One Sabi say for Ezeka side, plenty people that go remember Ezeka. That name for Sika the accident for train where it be happen for that side for 21 day October moon 2016. But now so they get a different cry where they cry for them. We enter for different other chapter for Douala here for talk say former work people them for shipyard industry chantier naval as we they call them for French. They don't also turn back again for inside labor office. They turn back for ask from government for pay them their money according to what the people they talk as we they come out again. Now for Sika waiting they try for talk say e dey so wey Nkunkuma be don sign book 16 months already pass and they be don promise say they go pay them. Since wey they start promise say they go pay them the money, so till today they never also pay them. Moon for October they no be fit for continue for make match for Sika say na moon for palava for votes for get new Nkunkuma, but just now as well the talk they don turn back and they talk from Nkunkuma say wetin make dem sabi say if you don sign book, even Prime Minister sesep if be second dey sign the way Nkunkuma sign am for Labour office now for Douala na for dem wey trouble e don be, and the people dem they don sandai say that their money wey Nkunkuma don already sign say dem must to pay them. So tey now wey they never pay them, they go so turn up for before Labour office for inside Douala here for say make this palava for their money e finish. Now so too they don't talk, so tey they pay them that money, they no go end for the tonton for Labour office inside Douala here. So I be say 16 months e don pass and plenty of them, someone they don die, they dey for inside mortuary. We hear one of the people dem dey talk, sabi say people dem wey dey be concerned na people dem wey na government sesep e be comot dem for work for Sika palava money wey e be the trump for country. Wetin be the real problem? We go let them dey talk the way e dey worry them.
The head of state to always make up a speech say all people the way they manifest for the country during this time, he go pay all them. So the president of the country say he beg, say make come to our aid. Plenty of our colleagues they dey sick, they dey hospital, don't get money for pay hospital bills, they don't get money for buy drugs for treat themselves. We even get 2 of our colleagues they dey mortuary now just because of money no dey to take proper care for themselves. So to beg the head of state say make try for put hand for inside our problem. We say may they solve this problem as fast as.
Yes, na one of the mandats wey dey strike, but sabi say after Nkunkuma be promise say e dey so they get for see all two e get for happen calling people them. Now so they send na one big beg from Nkunkuma say make e see say the promise wey be make am they wey be talk say I do so swear e make am come for pass for say make people they no so continue for make match for country, and one of that big beg na say make Nkunkuma e hear them, make we hear them talk. We go try for see wetin we go hear from that man wey e dey so the descendant na big beg for Nkunkuma say make Nkunkuma try for see wetin we go do for inside this their palava.
Yes, we beg the head of state to always make up a speech say all people the way they manifest for the country during this time, he go pay all them. So the president of the country say he beg, say make come to our aid. Plenty of our colleagues they dey sick, they dey hospital, don't get money for pay hospital bills, they don't get money for buy drugs for treat themselves. We even get 2 of our colleagues they dey mortuary now just because of money no dey to take proper care for themselves. So to beg the head of state say make try for put hand for inside our problem. We say may they solve this problem as fast as possible.
Yes, make una sabi say we never forget, and we also deal with our own Gondere, Torin Gondere for that side we dey from Gatam, for Nibel, Mimi Mefo, we dey also talk. When I left with Mimi Mefo, no do no nothing, and na so to go so continue for cry for inside government EM. If they go here, make they so open their ears. Sabi say for Facebook, plenty people then they don't so the talk, and the talk na say wetin Mimi Mefo, me Adela Mimi Mefo, and all the kind of talk them where they don't talk. Someone they talk say they go so continue for prayer. Someone they talk say no matter how way the team strong, they go so be them. Claude Okwasesep, they tell we say ye na Mimi Mefo, and other people them they talk say make president sesep isabi say e dey so na for Sika tori people them wey e dey sabi all thing the way e dey happen for outside. So one them they don so turn up for talk say wetin make the left Mimi Mefo say journalist people them they no fit ever she don quiet. Other one na so the chapter for say make the left Mimi Mefo. Other one they dey so be like say na dream for their eye. Why some other one they talk say that the first time wey tori pipo dem say dem don join like one other one dey try for talk say wetin the way wetin dem say dey happen for inside country just now no be na one way you go dey so change sabi say dem don see many too like our own Amampo for inside Cameroon as wey all pipo dey sabi am but sabi say the talk is also dey for all corner as wey all man e dey talk say make dem left Mefo and dey dey try for talk to say wetin make dem try for see as wey all thing e go balance for inside pipo dem their ear. So Mefo e sleep number 2 nights for Ngata for New Bell and all man e dey talk main governor say be open the ear for say make dem left dem gondere for sake say e dey innocent. We will talk with one of the own party man for inside house here. They call him Annie John. He own Nafru for inside Douala here. Make we hear what we talk on top this palaver for Mefo.
Touch all we. Even people that know the work for media, even for press. I see how they cry. People the way that I left the verse, they cry. They call, they talk, which be the problem. I try for experiencing that because it go na journalists way it go, it use force, it use experience, it go places, it gather information. So because it don't go gather information, and when information we don't touch the government, and why that the government no want, and why you see they just take it direct for military court, and then they take it send now for New Bay prison. I go like make we, all the journalists, all the supporters, all the pressmen, from Monday way they come, make we no get fear. Make we wear black and black. We wear black and black. We go for Bonanjo. We go mobilize. We make a middle liberate because we no see the crime when it don't do them. I think it work now, it work, and only it work. And when because this one, as I see intimidation, where they try to intimidate all the pressmen, them, all the journalism, because they don't make so. I not say, Mr. Babila, you will start fear now for at least interview people, or you will start talk for which way the rallies will go on for this country. I know say fear will be for the talk.
Yes, so as Sabi Seb say, Lee John Frundi, winner chairman for SDF, he don't talk on top this palaver for Mefo. Sabi Seb say we go bring them all the tori wey nakam tomorrow as well no be fit for quick come out 18 for inside machine this afternoon. But Sabi say for PG News debate we go left all the two Pani Joseph Seb talk am for people them for here on top support wey dey give am for Mefo and Sabi Seb say Barrister Agbobala Felix Nkongon, he too, he be there for Ngata for New Bell today for Mefo, and he talks say he glad the way we see me for inside Ngata. It's also be like the Iron Woman will be there by Sabi, and Sabi say other big people them too, like Maurice Kamto and the other people them, they don't send their support for Mefo for talk everything, make the lefty Kawala Sesep, he don't talk and other big people them for inside country. Pani John interview, we go bring them tomorrow, but Sabi say case for Mefo, he go come for court for Monday, and for Monday, all we go join hand for before Sarwin Mefo, he go be, when I say make we see as with the case, he go continue. We left that palaver just now for enter for waiting newspaper then set the talk this afternoon. We enter for the guidance post we did for outside today. Guidance post, it be then a special one from Mefo. They talk all thing we get hand for do with palaver from Mefo. They tell we as we the thing they talk palaver the thing we be talk before he carry go for Saturday day just now. Then inside the same the guidance post they talk for we as we did so all the interview the necessary be talking for BBC, every day for day before they cash in. They talk to Palava as we other strong people they too they don't talk. After we they hear say they don't catch me phone. Apart from GSF, Lee John, winner chairman for SDF, he don't talk. A big man for Cameroon Renaissance Movement, Maurice Kamto SSF, he don't talk. Ayapo SSF, he don't talk. Nasotu Kawalam, even big man for Equinox and association for all Queen Elisa Itori people them. Then SSF they don't talk on top big palaver. You want to be waiting about Saturday we go school and even the kind of work the room, he don't do all that one then too. You feel it down for inside the special guardian post for Mefo we come out today. Sabi say order to read them. Palaver necessary service we do enter for Douala. A day for inside the guardian post we a day for outside. Today we enter now also for some other newspaper too a day too for outside. Now the post weekend we a day for outside today. Waiting day for inside the post weekend on the people them the post weekend he tried for turn back for Terry thing wey pass. Okay, we enter for the info newspaper. The info newspaper wey dey for outside this afternoon, waiting dey for inside the info newspaper. E try for tell you say wetin dey wey Nkunkuma put in for talk say I do so. Nkunkuma don talk say make all people there dey hold shake and shoot from the west and west, make they put am for down, then waka for the correct road. Then Nkunkuma too e swear say dey so e go make am say the arrangement for decentralized wey e don take e go for before but reform as wey e take another 7 years for look at Cameroon. Now so they ask na question why wey e dey so. Emmanuel Macron say e talk congratulate from Nkunkuma after wey dey vote him enter for inside the info wey 1,000 people dey follow am. You go sabi am. Sabi say the info to tell we as wey the day wey Nkunkuma be the talk I do so swim. Some people them for Maurice Kamte party, Cameroon Renaissance Movement, they be casual. Moto 2 for 70 seater for Mogamo, VIP own, a bond for Douala here, according to what with the info, a talk for we today. Now they told them that when we look out for inside this afternoon, so call the people them, make we enter now so for one of the last in them. Na Palava announce, we get person we don't lose, make we try for show now. Photo for person we don't lose this afternoon. We get the person name na Tanyi Bertrand Agbo. Na be that Tanyi Bertrand Agbo. He come up for the house. Number 2 day for inside this very moon zone. They talk say Tanyi be come up for house. He be wear some t-shirts and some trousers. When a jean, he get a blue color. The pikin he get 21 years and they talk say he lost. For place where they call am say N for Kotam, more Esek. And the talk say the papa for Pikin, Oben Augustine, they try for beg any person wey is sabi this man where they call it say Tanyi Bertrand, say make a call the tiny number them where you decide for before at television them 677-006 961 699 046 722 65 402 form, or you take it for number 7 district police station. If you know fit at see reach for that side, you bring it for Equinox Story House. Say plenty dash a day for you. Monsieur Oben Augustin annonce la disparition de son neveu, le nommé Tanyi Bertrand Agbo, le vendredi 2 novembre 2018. Au moment de sa disparition, il était vêtu d'une t-shirt grise et d'une pantalon jean bleu. Il est âgé de 21 ans et s'exprime en anglais. Il a une teinte chocolat et jouit de toutes ses facultés mentales. Il est porté disparu au niveau du fin goudron Mont-Essec. Monsieur Ben, petite personne qui retrouvait ou hébergeait son neveu, de bien vouloir le contacter au numéro suivant 677 096 961 699 046 722 650 402 834 ou la conduit au commissariat du 7e arrondissement ou à la télévision Equinox contre une très forte récompense. Now the Tori and that for Inside Tori House for today. Service APG News debates it dey come for all Saturday them 12:30 so to 1:30. We go turn back for talk some of the strong things that will happen inside the week, and even this we own Palava for house. We go surely talk with we own change at them. We go get one Tori man we go give it to him, and even our combi for inside the house. Service say all people they put hands say make the program for the week. It work fine. I want to thank all man. Thank you plenty Malis. Thank you to Zephyrin Gondiwe there for one side. Thank you Nadine Wafo. Thank you to Ndam Meteran, and even you were there for my corner, Francois Dikume. Service say me, Abimimi, and Agodime Mimi. On our tight.